Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, I started a series in which I teach you about how you can how you can learn easy skills and earn easy money through Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. So in today's video, I will teach you how you can create a thank you card and sell this skill on Fiverr. First of all, we will go to Fiverr and let's see that if there is a demand of this skill or not. So I write here thank you card, and as you can see 46,000 plus people providing this service. This means there is a demand of this skill. And as you can see, I will design Amazon thank you card, and I will design thank you card for the product. Thank you card. Let's analyze one of the gig. In basic he charged $10, in standard he charged $15, and in special package he charged $25, and he provide these services. So this is the Fiverr part, and you can see there is a demand of this skill. And now we are creating the design of thank you card. So I'm using Canva because it is very easy and handy to use, and it provides me template, and I have to drag and drop. But if I use Photoshop or other softwares, then it take a lot of time, and I do not want to uh, make video longer. So basically, we give this thank you card to our client when they made a purchase on our store or any other thing. So I think this one is good, and you just have to change the website name. I put a dummy website for now. You have to take details from client and made it like this, and thank you for your purchase. And you can also change this color. Yeah, it's look good. So in this way you can create a thank you page in 1 to 2 minutes and sell this skill on Fiverr. And you can see you can earn 15 to 25 to $50 according to client's need. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.